So today we discuss electric potential. Electric potential. Okay. Before that, we know that potential energy U, that is capital Q small q over 4 pi epsilon naught R. Okay. And you see that expression, that's the capital Q with the source charge and small q with the test charge here. Okay, the diagram now look like this. Is capital Q, there is some distance R distance, bring test charge from infinite to that point P. Okay, so there is a this type of work done, this work done needed. Okay, here the energy joule. So what is potential at point P? So potential at point P, how to calculate? So potential at point P, that is equal to Vp, that is equal to U by test charge, that is equal to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R, and the potential is independent of test charge. Okay, so a unit is joule per coulomb, joules per coulomb, and another name is volt. Okay, so means 1 volt potential, that is equal to 1 joule work done needed from bring a 1 coulomb test charge from infinite to at point infinite point P in 1 coulomb charge. That's the electric potential. Okay, so potential, that is equal to U by Q, and suppose if I consider the delta U, potential at infinite means same potential at infinite. So if someone asks potential at infinite, that is equal to U by Q. So infinite with a 0 by Q, so we get finite 0 potential, 0 volt. So potential at infinite V0, potential at point P, that is independent of test charge, the dependent only source charge Q over 4 pi epsilon R. So SI unit is a joule per coulomb, another name is volt. So 1 volt equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. That's the basic concept of electric potential. Okay, actually if there's a potential with a scalar quantity, so direction, it doesn't matter here. Okay, so which direction you can choose? Obviously the work done energy also a scalar quantity, that's why their direction is doesn't depend here. Okay, there's a basic 5 minutes of electric potential. If you want to more about the electric potential and calculation, okay, so I put that full lecture in I button. Please click the link and watch the full lecture. Okay, or there is a lecture series of class 12, you can also watch that lecture series. Okay, click the playlist and watch the lecture series. Okay, that's the basic 5 minutes of electric potential. Thank you.